Welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Simple Energy, this electric vehicle startup created a huge buzz in the electric vehicle industry after they announced their electric scooter Mark II can give a range of 280 kilometers on a single charge. Not only the range, their pricing also a little bit tempting for electric vehicle enthusiasts. They have given a price tag of 1.1 lakh rupees ex-showroom for Simple Mark II. So in this video, let's check the facts about Simple Energy and whether they can launch a Mark II electric scooter for a price tag of 1.1 lakh rupees. Because this electric scooter not only created buzz around electric vehicle industry, but it is beyond electric vehicle industry. If you see electric vehicle channel, most of the comments, most of the youngsters are interested to buy the Simple Mark II. So let's start the video. So when did Simple Energy was established? Simple Energy was established in 2019, September month. So, but if you look at the rendered pictures, what they shared about Simple Mark II, it was released in the first quarter of 2021. They have shared some specifications of this electric scooter. If you see the specifications of Simple Mark II, they have mentioned the top speed as 103 km per hour, whereas the motor capacity is 3.5 kilowatt. It is a mid-drive motor. And the range they have claimed in the eco mode is 280 kilometers, and they have also mentioned that this electric scooter supports 4G connectivity just like Ather 450X, and it does comes with a 7-inch TFT touchscreen display also, and it also supports fast charging where it can be 80% charged in 40 minutes. What about the funds for Simple Energy? In 2020, for the month of August, they got a funding of $67,000, and they have raised this funding from Angel Investment. And recently in 2021, January 2nd, they have raised a funding of $500,000, and that fund is also from Angel Investment. So totally they got a funding of $567,000, but this company's targeted funding is around $8 million to $10 million. Currently they got a funding of 4.1 crore rupees in INR, but their target is around 51 crore rupees to 74 crore rupees. So now coming back to the specifications, they have mentioned they have given the battery pack as 4.8 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack, and it is a detachable battery pack. And the motor is 3.5 kilowatt, and the controller, obviously to support the 3.5 kilowatt motor, it should be around 3 kilowatt controller itself. So let's do a simple calculation of these parts, what does the motor cost and what the battery pack will cost, and you will get an idea about the overall pricing of the electric scooter. So if you look at the electric vehicle lithium ion battery packs pricing in India, if you want a quality cells for a kilowatt hour battery pack, it is ranging from around 18,000 rupees to 24,000 rupees. I am talking about the quality cells. So obviously Simple Energy has to use some quality cells for their fast charging capabilities, and let's take 20,000 rupees for each kilowatt hour. So for the final battery pack, they are using 4.8 kilowatt hours, so it will be around 98,000 rupees just for the battery pack itself. So what about the motor and the controller? They are using a 3.5 kilowatt rated power motor, and they have to use a controller as well. And let's take the price of around 32,000 to 35,000 rupees for the motor and the controller. So let's take a 32,000 rupees, and the previous one for the battery pack itself 98,000 rupees and 32,000 rupees for the motor and the controller. And they are also giving a LCD screen display of 7-inch, and it supports navigation also, so it will be around 7,000 something. So it will be you can take a price of around 7,000 rupees. So if you calculate all these three components itself, it is estimated pricing around 1,47,000 rupees just for the battery pack, motor controller and the LCD screen what they have claiming for. But if you look at the pricing of their electric scooter, it is 1.1 lakh rupees ex-showroom price. But if you see three components pricing more than 1,40,000 rupees. So I'm just giving a rough example here. It might be various like 5 to 10,000 rupees. It can be higher or lower, but it is a figure. It is an estimated figure. And what about the charger? They need to give a charger, and they need to give the tires, and they need to give the suspension, and they need to provide the lighting for this electric vehicle, and they need to give the body parts. There are few more parts to be added, but for these three parts itself, it is more than the whatever the price they have claimed, 1.1 lakh rupees. So one more option we need to add in this category is the subsidy part. Any vehicle which is localized in India, and those vehicles are eligible for FAME 2 scheme subsidies. But if you see the maximum subsidy an electric two-wheeler gets under the FAME 2 scheme, right now is 30,000 rupees. It is the maximum subsidy. Either 450X is getting that kind of 30,000 rupees subsidy, and Revolt RV400 also getting 30,000 rupees as a subsidy. Hero NVX HX is almost 29,000 rupees. It is near to that. That is the subsidy this two-wheeler is getting. Imagine this electric scooter also gets a subsidy of 30,000 rupees. Just minus this 30,000 from the 1.47 lakhs what we have mentioned. So the price is around 1.17 lakh rupees. Still, if you consider all these examples, there are two options for Simple Energy. First thing, whether they can sell this electric vehicle for losses, or else the second option is they can launch this Simple Mark II in two variants. One is in the high variant, what they have mentioned, the 280 km range and the 3.5 kilowatt motor. Whereas the second variant, they can give a motor capacity of 2 kilowatt motor and the half of the battery pack as a 2.8 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack. So they can have whatever they mentioned earlier, they could have given the half of the specifications in the final product. So that is what we are believing that, because these figures are not possible, because nobody wants to do a charity, right? Everybody wants to do business in the electric vehicle industry. So even is a startup, they got the fundings. Even with the specification, maybe they can get the funding. Whatever the $8 to $10 million funding they can get. But at the end of the day, if they really want to launch an electric scooter with the same specifications, we are believing it is not possible with the 1.1 lakh rupees, but there is a possibility they can launch in a second variant. That is what we are believing. Because if you see, the best competitor for Simple Mark II is Ather Energy. Ather 450X pricing itself, ex-showroom pricing itself 1.49 lakh rupees after the FAME 2 scheme subsidies. If you add the subsidies, it will be around 1.79 lakhs, somewhat around. It is almost 1.8 lakh rupees if there is no subsidies for that electric scooter. But if Simple Energy can launch the whatever they claim 280 kilometer range, I want to clarify one point here. Earlier they went for ARAI testing. They have tested the battery pack of 4 kilowatt hour and they got a range of 230 kilometer range. But in the final variant, they said that they will use a 4.8 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack that can give it 280 kilometers of range in the eco mode. In the eco mode means the top speed is around 20 to 25 kilometer per hour. But one thing is very sure here, any startup can get initial exposure, can turn into explosive also, because it depends on the launch pad, and it can be misfired also. Too much exposure can be explosive also. We are not sure about it until it is launched. We are happy to support Simple Energy, but one thing is sure, we need to expect miracles, or everybody likes magic, and we need to see if they can launch the same specification with that price, because all the youngsters in India are looking to buy the first electric two-wheeler and they are fascinated. Their first vehicle should be Simple Mark II. Even we are also supporting Simple Energy, but how can they do that? But we need to wait for the mid of 2021 and hope we don't see any kind of twist from the Simple Energy. But either there is a third option also. I think they could have increased the pricing also. We have to wait. And one more thing is, too much hype for any product is not good for any industry, because someone gets a lot of expectations on a particular product, and if that product doesn't meet with the expectations, and that person will get completely devastated, and they don't take the industry seriously, because people will think like that and they don't take it as serious. Next product, okay. Right now, electric vehicle industry at the very beginning of the industry, slowly the electric vehicle market is growing, and at this point, too much hype for any product. It's not about Simple Mark II or any Tesla entry into India. Too much hype for any product. It's not about Simple Mark II or any Tesla entry into India. One day the industry touches the sky, and one day it went deep into the earth. It is not the industry. So if we need a sustainable electric vehicle industry, we need something very reliable and trustworthy. Someone who doesn't know about the industry will think. Take for an example, Simple Mark II. People who doesn't know about electric vehicles, and if they look for the first time Simple Energy, and they think, okay, this is somewhat a super product and is very much budget friendly and very cheaper when compared to any electric scooter available in India. But when it comes to reality, we are not sure whether they can offer it or not. So that is all, whatever the research work we have done on the Simple Energy. So please do mention about your opinions about Simple Energy Mark II in the comment section. Go green, go electric.